Welcome to our channel. Essential pre-purchase checks for a used engine. Check the engine code. First thing, find that engine code. It's stamped somewhere on the block. Make sure it matches the one your car needs. Don't just trust what's written on a tag. You'll be stuck with a motor that won't even bolt up right. Inspect for oil leaks. Look around the valve cover, head gasket, and oil pan. If you see wet spots, oil residue, or black sludge built up, that's a bad sign. Small leaks can be fixed, but big greasy messes usually mean worn seals or internal pressure problems. Spin the crank by hand. If it's out of the car, grab a socket on the crank bolt and turn it. It should move smoothly, no grinding or sudden stiff points. If it's tight or completely frozen, walk away. Check the oil condition. Pull the dipstick. If the oil looks milky, that's coolant mixing in, bad head gasket. If it's thick black sludge, that engine was neglected. You want oil that's brownish and not burnt smelling. Burnt oil smell means overheating or poor maintenance. Inspect spark plugs. Pop a plug or two out. They tell you a lot. Oily plugs mean it's burning oil. White residue means it's been running hot. If all plugs look consistent and clean, that's a good sign. Check compression, if possible. If the seller lets you, do a compression test. You want even numbers across all cylinders, give or take 10%. Big gaps mean one or more cylinders are weak, and that means you'll end up tearing it apart later. Look for signs of overheating. See if the head looks warped or discolored. Look for melted plastic near the intake. That's the stuff you notice after it's too late if you don't check now. Engines that have been overheated once can only look fine outside. Check the exhaust ports. Look at the exhaust side. If it's sooty and black, then it's normal. But if it's oily or sticky, that engine's burning oil. If it's bone white, it ran lean, not good either. This is something most people skip, but it says a lot about how that engine was used. Ask for mileage proof. Don't just take their word when they say low mileage. Ask for the donor car's VIN or paperwork. Salvage yards usually have that info. Low mileage matters, but honest mileage matters more. Looking for quality used auto parts? Call us at 888-752-4286 for reliable used engines and transmissions today. Listen before you buy, if you can. If the engine's still in the donor car, ask them to start it. Listen for ticking, knocking, or uneven idle. A healthy used engine will have a steady sound, no metal on metal noise. If it's already pulled out and they can't start it, rely on your checks above. Thank you for watching.